Hello everyone. In this short video we are going to demonstrate how you can complete the payment for your child's GCSE or A-level exam entry fees. Once you receive the invoice from exams office, please log into GEMS Connect. Click to Fees and Payments and then Fee Payments. Once the page has been loaded, please scroll down. You will see a headline called GCSE A-level exams and the 1 dirham charged under the same headline. Manually input the amount from the invoice received from the exams office and then proceed to pay. Now enter your card details and then complete the payment. Thank you for watching.